Hello all, welcome to the subject of VLSI Design and Technology. This is Professor Meenakshi Pancha from Electronics and Telecommunication Department, Parvati Bai, Kanma Murli College of Engineering. So in the previous lecture, we have seen the data structure of the VHDL, like a behavioral description and structural description, switch level description. In yesterday lecture, we have seen. In today's lecture, we have discussed about the data flow description, mixed type of the description, and mixed language description. So let's start. Today, we are going to take examples of half adder only, and these are the library. These are essential before writing entity. The library should be called. So let's write. Let's declare the entity. Entity can be declared by the predefined word entity, and the name of the our device. My device is half adder. I will give the name half adder. Ease is also predefined word. So let's see the port structure. We have to write port. Here port is a predefined word. After writing port, start assigning the input output terminals in a bracket. So we have our input terminal A, which is input terminal. I can assign like this only. Individual terminal can also assign here, and B also another input terminal, and this is also bit type. And there are two outputs. One is sum. I have mentioned by writing out. It's the output, and which is also in a bit form. And another output is C, is nothing but carry, which is out, and which is also in a bit form. So I am closing bracket. After closing bracket, you have to give semicolon here. Then after declaring port, we have to end the entity by writing, and the name of entity is half adder. Sorry. And with the semicolon. So we have declared the port. In the port, we have mentioned all the input and output terminals with the data type. Now we have to write the architecture. This architecture is also predefined word, and I am going to give a name. This name should be different from the name of entity. I am giving half adder data flow modeling. So I will write a short form data flow modeling or data flow description of for which entity I am constructing this architecture. I have to mention here the name of entity. What is the name of entity here? The name of entity is half adder. For what entity we are going to writing a architecture, we have to mention here. The name of entity in architecture should be different, and we have to call the name of entity after writing the name of the architecture. Here I am mentioning the architecture has no process. Remember this process term predefined word which is we are used in where behavioral architecture and component. Here we are using component in what type architecture? In what type? Structural architecture. In structural architecture, we have used component. In behavioral architecture, we have used process. And this CMOS we have used in switch level description. We have used this CMOS So we are not using these terms here. And also we are not using any term like this. If nothing we are using like any transaction terms we are not using here. So like this. Expand it. Now we are going to construct architecture, and we have start with a begin redefine command begin. Now what are our outputs here? We have two outputs here. One is sum. I'm going to assign like this. Sum is XOR operation of A and B. Semicolon. And is the carry. The carry is also AND operation of terminal A and B. We have to assign. Then we have to end with the name of the architecture. Our architecture name is this. So this is the one of the example of data flow description. So how we are what we are doing in data flow description? In data flow description, how the system signals flow from input to output, we are going to describe here. Usually the description is done by writing Boolean function of the output. The data flow statements are concurrent and their execution is controlled by the event. Now we are going to see the mixed type of description. What are the mixed type description? The mixed type or mixed style description is nothing but we are going to using more than one type or one style previously mentioned in the description. What we have discussed in previously, we have discussed many type of the description like a behavioral, structural, switched level type of description. We have discussed previously. We have seen small examples also. Mixed type description, what we are going to do, we are going to mix many types of description. If some of the application or some of the devices which is having large number of structures, so single type of description is not suitable. So according to application, we can moderate or we can describe the many descriptions to make it flexible. In fact, the most of description of the moderate to large size systems are mixed. So we may describe some part of the system using one description and other parts is using other types or other type styles of the description. So mixed type descriptions are which is having more than one or two styles. Simply we are going to telling is that mixed type description having more than one or two mixed type description. So today we are going to take one small example, one ALU example which performs some logical or arithmetic operation, and we are going to use two types of description. One is data flow and another one is behavioral description. So in today application we are going to see one is data flow and another one is mixed level type of description. So I have already mentioned library here. So let's begin with the architecture directly, because the entity part we have seen in many examples. In this problem, we are going to focus how the architecture is going to design with the mixed type of description. Okay. So let's begin with the architecture here. So I am going to write architecture ALU. This is my ALU mixed. This is the name of my architecture of. I'm going to write the ALU mixed. This ALU mixed is the name of the entity. So this designing of entity mark is, you guys should try it here. This is for practice purpose, okay? Entity. So you have entity ALU underscore mixed. We should take different name now. So mixed structure. This is the name of the entity. And the port declare, you guys try it how to declare the port for this program. So I am here going to assign directly architecture part, okay? Underscore mixed STR. This is the name of our entity we are going to mention here in the architecture part. Is okay. Now begin with the whatever we are the signal we are going to use here. Signal EO, comma C1 S3 logic. These are constant signal we are going to use here. Signal P, comma G, name of the signal which is unsigned. Is unsigned to down to 0. The another signal I have to mention here, M1, and which is unsigned and which is having 6 bit. So for 6 bit we have to write down to 0. Next begin. First we have declared the data flow description. The following is a data flow description. That is G0 A 0, which should perform AND operation of B0. Here the 0th bit. Here the signals. Here the signals are, we have taken multiple signals. So this is a 3-bit signals. Down to 0 is nothing but which is having which is having how many combinations? 0, 0, 0. So this type of combination, this will occur 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. 2 down to 0 is nothing but. Okay. Then 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1, 1 up to this much. And what about 5 down to 0 is nothing but which is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So which is having combination like this. Like this. There is a combinations of signals. So we want to perform AND operation here. So we are going to perform an AND operation that the bit G, first bit 0 and B0. And G1, which should perform AND operation first bit and first bit of B. Similarly, we should be perform AND operation of second bit and B second bit. And we have to write semicolon now. So this is the
Mommy. Mommy. Don't look. Don't. No, it's not.